Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Watches and Wonders 2022 Geneva with Ulysse Nardin, looking at two of their new introductions. This is the aventurine dial version of the Freak X, which is the entry-level model in the Freak universe, which is a collection of watches which heavily uses silicon in the movement and have a large structure, a minute hand structure that has part of the movement on the dial. Really cool watches. And this is the Freak S. This is the highlight piece, a very high-end watch that has a unique system. It takes the Freak in a new direction with a double oscillator on the dial, silicon componentry, a double oscillator with a differential, a vertically designed differential, which is super awesome. Ulysse Nardin says it looks like a spaceship, and it really does. You can see a lot of the technical specifications and pricing on the aBlogtoWatch.com website, but I want to say that this is a 43 millimeter wide case, and this is 45 millimeters. This one is more traditionally Freak in the sense that it doesn't have the crown. It uses a system where you flip up this little tab here and you actually turn the bezel in order to adjust the time. To wind the watch, you can manually turn the case back bezel, but this is an automatic. This is the first double oscillator watch in the world, which is an automatic. And the way it works is it has a system that Ulysse Nardin calls grinder. And small little movements transmit power that wind the mainspring. It's very cool, and this is only the second watch that they've done that has this system. So it's so cool to have everything about the Freak with a new oscillator system and automatic winding. Beautiful aventurine dial as well, so both of these have those beautiful space-like dials. This is a limited edition. You can see more on aBlogtoWatch.com. Thanks.